Hello, good morning, students. Welcome to your SSC class. Let us continue chapter number 2, the classic ages. In previous video, we had discussed about the Paleolithic age, means Old Stone Age. And today we will discuss about the Middle Stone Age. It means the period between the Old Stone Age and the New Stone Age. That's why it is called the Middle Stone Age or the Mesolithic Age. In this period, the early men started making small tools, and these tools were called microliths because of their small size. These tools included bone tools. What are the bone tools? A tool created from the bones of any type. Then borers, these were used to make holes in the stone tools. And the scalpers were used to make the one side shop of a stone tool. Then the bow and arrow were used to hunt fast moving animals. The Rajasthan Bagar is the largest Mesolithic site. What is a site? Site is an area of ground where buildings or monuments is constructed. And in Rajasthan Bagar is the largest Mesolithic site. Mesolithic site means the monument or the building built at that time with the stones. And the Mesolithic age ended with the introduction of farming when the Neolithic period began. After the Mesolithic age, the Neolithic period began. And these were the tools which were used during the Mesolithic age. Next is the Neolithic age, New Stone Age. This is the period between this is the period of New Stone Age. When man made better tools, he learned to grow his food crops and domesticated animals. They started settled life. They made pots to store food and ate more cereals and breads. The most important discovery of the Neolithic period was the discovery of the wheel. Neolithic age न्यूलिथिक एज को न्यू स्टोन एज कहा जाता है एंड इस पीरियड में इस टाइम के दौरान अर्ली मैन ने फूड को क्रॉप्स को ग्रो करना सीखा, एनिमल्स को डोमेस्टिकेटेड किया, उन्हें पाला और एक सेटल लाइफ बितानी स्टार्ट कर दी. द इन्वेंशन ऑफ द व्हील वॉज द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट डिस्कवरी एट दैट टाइम. नेक्स्ट इज द एग्रीकल्चर. In Neolithic period, the humans became more aware of their surroundings. They saw that the fruit they grow in soil after eating fruit grow into plant. How the early man got the idea of agriculture or the growing plant? It is a story that one day he was eating a fruit and he threw the seed into the soil and that seed grew into plant. This gave them the idea of growing plant for their food. अर्ली मैन ने एग्रीकल्चर कहाँ से स्टार्ट की? एक बार वो फ्रूट खा रहा था और उसने जो सीड था उसका वो मिट्टी में फेंक दिया. आफ्टर सम टाइम उस जो वो सीड था वो प्लांट में ग्रो हो गया और यहाँ से ही उसे एग्रीकल्चर का आइडिया मिला. दिस वॉज द बिगनिंग ऑफ द फार्मिंग और द एग्रीकल्चर. यही सबसे बड़ी जो खोज थी अर्ली मैन की, वो थी एग्रीकल्चर की खोज. यहाँ से ही एग्रीकल्चर की बिगनिंग हुई. फॉर फार्मिंग दे यूज स्टोन्स टू डिग द सॉइल फर्स्ट. लेटर दे यूज्ड वुड एंड शार्प स्टोन्स टू इम्प्रूव देयर टूल्स. अर्ली ह्यूमन्स ऑब्जर्व दैट दे नीडेड वाटर for their farming. Now when he got the idea of farming and at that time he observed that they needed water for farming also. So they started settling on the banks of the river and lakes. Earlier they used to live in caves in far off places. पहले अर्ली मैन केव्स में रहता था, लेकिन जब उसे एग्रीकल्चर का आइडिया आ गया तो उसे लगा कि अब उसे खेती बाड़ी के लिए पानी की ज़रूरत होगी और उसने अपनी सेटल लाइफ स्टार्ट कर दी रिवर्स के किनारे अपनी जो थी सेटल लाइफ स्टार्ट कर दी. They started making their dwellings from the things available in their surroundings like mud, straw and wood. They produced grains and crops which were more than what they needed, so they stored it in mud pots and baskets. Now early men start making their dwellings means homes from mud, straw and wood. अब उन्होंने अपने घर जो थे वो मिट्टी से, घास से बनाने स्टार्ट कर दिए. नाउ पीपल हैड ए वैरायटी ऑफ फूड ईट. जब एग्रीकल्चर स्टार्ट हो गई तो उनके पास बहुत सारी वैरायटी थी फूड को खाने के लिए. दे एट वीट, वाले, वेजिटेबल, फ्रूट्स एंड अदर एनिमल्स. But they had learned to cook their food. With the discovery of agriculture and farming, early humans realized the importance of domesticating or taming animals. Now the early man realized the importance of taming animals. They want to domesticate some animals. And firstly, they domesticated dogs. And later, cows, oxen, pigs, goats, and sheep were domesticated by the early man. And they used these animals for carrying the loads or plowing the fields. These animals gave milk, which was an important source of food for that time. And early humans covered their bodies with the wool which they got from the sheep. So they used these animals for different purposes. Next is poultry. As man started farming and they tamed animals. Then when he grew large amount of grains, milk and other food products, then he want to store these things for this. अब जब अर्ली मैन में फार्मिंग खेती बाड़ी स्टार्ट हो गई, जब उसने क्रॉप्स को ग्रो करना स्टार्ट कर दिया, तो अब उनको जब ज़्यादा गेहूँ पैदा हो जाता था तो वो उनको रखने के लिए उन्हें किसी चीज़ की ज़रूरत थी और वहाँ से ही पॉटरी की स्टार्टिंग हुई. मीन्स बर्तन बनाने की, मिट्टी के बर्तन बनाने की शुरुआत हुई. They needed vessels, means utensils. So they started building utensils and pots with mud and baked them in fire. To make these pots harder, this led to the invention of pottery. यहाँ से ही pottery की invention हुई, बर्तन बनाने की विधि स्टार्ट हुई. Next is the invention of the wheel. The wheel is one of the man's greatest invention. It forms the basis of movement. The cart, the cycle, the motor car all move on wheels. Wheels made transportation possible and the movement of people from one place to the other. It helped in conquering huge distances. The wheel was also used for making the fine pieces of pottery. Early humans could now shape clay on a potter's wheels. Now the wheel is one of the man's greatest invention and he got the idea of making wheel through the rolling log of the wood. Today the cart, the cycle, motor car all move on wheels. Wheel made transportation easy and faster. The people can cover large distances. व्हील का आविष्कार हुआ, ये सबसे ग्रेटेस्ट डिस्कवरी थी मैन की और इसी के कारण जो साइकिल्स हैं, मोटरसाइकिल्स हैं, आज व्हील्स पे चलते हैं और ट्रांसपोर्टेशन भी व्हील्स के ज़रिए पॉसिबल हुई और लोग एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पर जाने आने लगे. द व्हील वॉज आल्सो यूज फॉर मेकिंग फाइन पीसेस ऑफ पोट्री. फिर व्हील कहाँ पे यूज़ होने लगा? बर्तन बनाने के लिए भी इसका यूज़ होने लगा, मिट्टी के बर्तन. द व्हील वॉज यूज फॉर स्पिनिंग एंड वीविंग क्लोथ with which people cover their bodies. Then wheel were used for spinning and weaving clothes. So this was the greatest invention in the history of the man. Next is the social life of the early humans. जब एग्रीकल्चर स्टार्ट हो गई, खेती स्टार्ट हो गई, व्हील की भी इन्वेंशन हो गई और पोट्री भी इन्वेंटेड हो गई, then what happened? With the growth in agriculture, discovery of fire and the wheel, the brains of early humans developed. They now prefer to live in close groups. अब early men ने एक ग्रुप्स में रहना स्टार्ट कर दिया and these groups came to be known as tribes or communities. इन ग्रुप्स को ट्राइब्स और कम्युनिटीज कहा जाता है. In the tribe or community, the strongest man was chosen as the village headman. Now when the man started living in the groups or the tribes, the early men came, they choose the strongest man, their leader or the village headman. He had to protect the village from external dangers and threats. This was the work of the village headman. Then with large amount of production in agriculture, the goods and services were exchanged. between people and the water system developed. What is the water system? According to this system, the people exchanged their surplus goods with the goods that they wanted for their daily use. अब अर्ली ह्यूमन की जो सामाजिक लाइफ थी, सोशल लाइफ थी, वो कैसी थी? उन्होंने ग्रुप्स में, ट्राइब्स में, जातियों में रहना स्टार्ट कर दिया और उन्होंने अपने विलेज के एक हेडमैन को चूज कर लिया जिसका काम था लोगों को बचाना। जब ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा पैदावार होने लगी, अर्ली मैन ने तब चीज़ों को एक एक्सचेंज करना स्टार्ट कर दिया और वहाँ से वाटर सिस्टम डेवलप हुआ। उसके अकॉर्डिंग गुड्स वर एक्सचेंज्ड, गुड्स के बदले चीज़ों के बदले चीज़ें। दिस सिस्टम स्टार्टेड. So this was the social life of the early humans. Next is art and religion. The Neolithic period witnessed massive change in lifestyle. Earlier, the cave paintings focused on the picture of animals, but in Neolithic period, human figure became important. They were painted as groups of people hunting or dancing, small stone statues of female discovered later. Now in Neolithic period, art and religion. Early man की जो केव पेंटिंग थी, पहले जो उनका आर्ट था, द रिफ्लेक्ट द आउटस्टैंडिंग आर्ट, दैट वाज द केव पेंटिंग्स. बट फिर उन्होंने स्मॉल स्टैचूज को बनाना शुरू कर दिया इन नियोलिथिक पीरियड और दे वर्शिप्ड फर्टिलिटी और नेचर. देन they believed in life after death, so when they buried their dead they kept pots, weapons with them. अब उनको ये लगता था कि डेथ के बाद भी लाइफ है एंड जब भी वो डेड बॉडी को बरीड करते थे तो उनके साथ वो वेपन्स और पॉट्स भी रखते थे, जो कि उनका मानना था कि ये पॉट्स जो हैं वो उनकी आगे जो जर्नी होगी दूसरे वर्ल्ड में जब वो जाएंगे उसमें ये चीज़ें उनके काम आएंगी. सो दिस वॉज द art and religion of the early people of the Neolithic period. Next is the Chalcolithic age. The Chalcolithic age saw the use of metals, among which copper was the first. In this period, the use of metals taken place and copper was the first. It is called Chalcolithic because the use of stone and copper was prevalent during this period. People were mainly engaged in agriculture, stock raising, hunting, fishing. Copper was accidental discovery for man and he realized that metal could be molded in different shapes to make big and small tools. जो कैलकुलिथिक एज थी, इस एज में मेटल्स में कॉपर जो था सबसे पहले डिस्कवर हुआ और इसमें जी मैन को ये रियलाइज़ हुआ कि जो मेटल्स हैं उनको हम किसी भी शेप में मोल्ड कर कर टूल्स और पॉट्स बना सकते हैं. Then in India, Chalcolithic age copper tools have been found in the Chota Nagpur Plateau region, especially in the Ganga Yamuna Doab region and Bihar. In Chalcolithic age, copper tools were discovered in these places. Next is the Iron Age. The Iron Age began. It means with the use of iron had become widespread in the Eastern Mediterranean region. In this Iron Age, the use of iron had become widespread. आयरन का, लोहे का यूज हर जगह फैल गया. Then iron was used to make weapons, tools, cooking pots, horse harnesses and nails. आयरन जो है वो यूज़ किया गया टूल्स में, कुकिंग पॉट्स बनाने में, एंड इट चेंज द लाइफ ऑफ द कॉमन मैन, मेकिंग इंपॉर्टेंट टास्क लाइक फार्मिंग ईजियर. प्लोज विद टिप्स मेड आउट ऑफ आयरन वर यूज टू प्लांट crops for food. Iron weapons also made fighting between tribes more common, and in Iron Age is the period when the iron tools, utensils and other things were used. So this was all about the Chalcolithic age or the Iron Age, Mesolithic age. Students, learn this chapter or read this chapter thoroughly. Thank you. Have a nice day.